Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the most versatile and effective indicator in technical analysis, the simple moving average. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to harness the power of the SMA to identify trends, pinpoint entries and exit points, and make more informed decision on the market. So stick with us until the end to discover how this simple yet powerful tool can transform your trading performance and help you achieve consistent profits in any market condition. We start by understanding what the simple moving average is, and it is widely used in the forex market as a technical indicator that helps analyze price trends by calculating the average price of an asset over a specific period. Now, this is calculated by summing up the close prices for a given number of period and dividing by that number. This process smoothens out price fluctuations, making it easier to identify the overall direction of the trend. How the SMA works is by effective. The SMA are effective because they provide a clear visual representation of market trends. An upward moving SMA indicates an uptrend. When you see the simple moving average is moving to the upside, you know it is an uptrend. While when it's moving downwards, you know it is in a downtrend. Additionally, the SMA can act as dynamic support and resistance level, helping traders set stop loss and take profits. So there are some key characteristics that you will need to know about your SMA. The first one is it has a lag effect. Now the simple moving average are less sensitive to recent price changes due to the equal weighting of all data points, which can delay reaction to new trends. The second key characteristics is stability. The stability makes the simple moving average suitable for identifying long-term trends and support and resistance levels. As you can see, price is respecting this simple moving average as a support at this area. And as you can see at this area here, it is respecting it as a resistance. So let's see how we can apply the simple moving average to our day trading strategy. The first step is to set up your charts. You set up your chart with the right simple moving average combination. You will open your trading platform and select your preferred time frame, such as your 1 minute, 2 minutes or 15 minutes. In this case, we'll be making use of the 15 minutes. We add three simple moving averages with different colors. The first simple moving average would be our 5 period moving average. The first one would be our 5 period moving average. So we are setting it to 5 period. The second simple moving average would be our 8 period moving average. Set it to our 8 period moving average. Now the third moving average we are going to use would be our 13 period moving average. Let's change the color to red. So red will be our 13 period moving average. Now the after setting our 5 period, 8 period and 13 period simple moving averages on our chart, you have to identify the overall trend in the market before placing any trade. You have to determine the market direction by analyzing the alignment of the simple moving averages. An uptrend is indicated when the 5 moving average, which is this blue line, is above the 8 simple moving average, which is also above the 13 moving average. Conversely, a downtrend will show when the 5 moving average is below the 8 moving average, which is also below the 13 moving average. If the simple moving average are compressed and sideways it suggests a ranging market. Now in this case you can see the blue line is below both the 15 the both the 8 moving average, which is the red line, and the yellow line, meaning that this is a downtrend. Now when we see the blue line is above, you can see the blue line at this area, it crossed over the red and yellow line. This signifies a buying opportunity. Now for us to look for our entries, for long entries you would have to wait for the 5 simple moving average to cross above the 8 moving average. Confirm that by when the 8 moving average crosses or has crossed over the 13 moving average. Ensure that the price is trending above all three, then you would enter your trade. When you notice the crossover, as you can see, the green has crossed over, the blue has crossed over the red and the yellow, and at this point you can see that the red crossed over the yellow at this point, and everything with the 5 simple moving average is above all the 8 moving average and the 13 moving average. This signifies an uptrend, and as you can see, price is trading above the moving averages, and at this point this would be where you would want to enter your long position. When price is above all 3 moving averages, this would be a trigger for us to enter our long position. While short position would enter when we see the 5 period moving average has traded below both the 8 period moving average and the 13 period moving average. Once it's below there, at that point price is below all 3 of them. This would be where you would want to enter your short trade at that place. Do not forget, setting stop loss is also important. You would have to set your stop loss 15 to 10 pips below or above your area of entry. So if we enter at this point, you can just set your stop loss 10 pips or 15 pips above where you entered. Same with your buy trade. You have to also recognize when to stay out. It is crucial to know when not to trade. You have to stay out of the market when the simple moving average are compressed and moving in a narrow band. As you can see at this area, it was compressed in this area and it was moving in a sideways moving market, doing a lot of crossover. At this point, you would avoid trading the market. These are the pros and cons of the market. Even at this area, moving sideways, crossing back, crossing over without showing us a real direction in the market. There are some advanced techniques that you can also know. Once you have mastered the basic, consider using multi-time frame to confirm signals. This involves checking same simple moving average setup on different time frames to ensure consis ten cy across them. Additionally, you can use multiple simple moving averages such as your 5, 8, 13, 20, 50, as the case may be, to visualize the trend strength. This approach provides a clearer picture of the market overall direction and can help you make more informed trading decisions. So, alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.